Today we'll talk about SMART goals and why they are important for your business success. Hi, my name's Matt and recently I've decided to start a new business, a videography business. And I thought it would be quite nice to document that whole process so you can learn from my success and avoid my mistakes. If this sounds interesting to you, then do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. So, what are SMART goals? SMART is an acronym standing for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic and timely. And within this framework you can set your goals in a way that make it easy for you to track them and work backwards so you know exactly what kind of steps you need to take in order for you to reach that goal. How do I intend to use SMART goal? My SMART goal is that I intend to get 4 to 6 free clients and 2 paying clients within the next 8 weeks. Now this doesn't sound like a lot, but we're still in lockdown here, so getting 8 clients in total could be quite challenging. My plan is to have these free clients refer other people to me so I can get these paying clients, because business owners know business owners, and if one is happy with the work I provide, they will probably very happily refer me to other people. Also, I intend to get video testimonials from these free clients that I can use in ads and gain new clients that way, because social proof is very important to get new clients. Once I've shot the video, I will hand over the final product in different resolutions and formats so they can use it in whatever social platform or website they intend to use it on. And the whole thing will be packaged neatly in a metal box on an USB stick with some business cards and marketing materials so they can finally, or in the end, recommend me to other business owners. Before we get to that step, I need to find business owners that are willing to have a video taken of them for their own company. And since I don't know any business owners in my area, this could be quite challenging. So the absolutely first step will be to find 6 business owners. Now you see, I've been able to break down each point of this process into one specific action. And the SMART goals allow me to be so specific because I know exactly what I need to do in order for that goal to be reached. I don't know yet if it will work exactly as planned because, well, goals change and processes change and I might be forced to adapt to them. And since I don't have a name, a website, business cards or anything right now, this is really the beginning, I'm quite interested to see how it all will work out in the end. So this is the process I intend to do and I intend to follow. And if you're starting out or you've just started a new business, I highly recommend that you give SMART goals a try for yourself and be as specific about them as possible. And well, I would appreciate it if you leave a comment below how you feel about SMART goals and or if you've used SMART goals in the past successfully, because I'm new to this as well and I'm learning as I'm going. So it would be nice to have some feedback from you guys. With that being said, I hope you've enjoyed this first video and I'll see you in the next one.